Hi everyone, so sa video na to we're going to discuss another 5 mathematics questions na pwede nyo gamitin sa review nyo sa civil service. So again, this is Gerald C. Apostol, and do not forget to click the subscribe button. And then please click also the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga next videos natin. So let's start. So question number 6. Find the vertex of the parabola y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Para makuha natin yung vertex ng parabola, we need to get the value of h and k. Remember that the formula for our h will be negative b over 2a. So dito, we're just going to use this, and then after that, kung ilan yung makuha nating value ng h, is isa-substitute natin sa values ng x para makuha natin yung value ng k. So let us start. So ang value ng a natin is 1 and value ng b natin is 2. 1 kasi 1 yung numerical coefficient ng ating quadratic term, and 2 yung b kasi 2 yung numerical coefficient ng ating linear term. So let us substitute. So we have negative 2 over 2 times 1. So we will have negative 2 over 2, or we have negative 1. So ibig sabihin, we all have negative 1 as our h. And then we are going to use negative 1 para makuha yung value ng k. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then we are going to substitute negative 1 sa x. So we have negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 plus 1. So we will have 1 plus negative 2 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2 plus negative 2, that is equal to 0. So ibig sabihin nun, ang vertex ng parabola natin na x squared plus 2x plus 1 is negative 1, 0. So ibig sabihin, if you're going to graph it, dadaan yung quadratic o yung parabola quadratic graph sa negative 1, 0. So, ibig sabihin, dadaan sa point na to. Pag ganyan. And, negative 0, positive 1 dito. Yung graph natin will be like that. At nandito yung vertex nasa may x-axis. So, next question. So, find the equation of the line that passes through the points 1, 0, and 3, 2. So, we have the formula y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x of 1. The point slope formula, where m is the slope. So y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x of 2 minus x of 1. So our first task here is to solve for the slope. So we have x of 1, we have x of 2, and then we have y sub 1, and then we have y sub 2. We're just going to plug all the values of x and y's. So we have y sub 2 is 2 minus y sub 1 is 0 over x sub 2 is equal to 3 minus x sub 1 is 1. So we will have 2/3. So our slope is 2/3. We have y minus, yung y sub 1 natin is 0, is equal to 2/3 times x minus 1, our x sub 1. And then let us simplify. Y is equal to 2/3 times x minus 1. Multiply natin both sides by 3 para maalis yun nandito. So we'll have 3y is equal to 2x. Distribute natin minus 2. So our equation will be 2x minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. This will be our equation. Next number. Simplify square root of 4 plus square root of 9 plus square root of 32 and square root of 18. Our first task is to simplify first ang bawat term. And we all know that square root of 4 is equal to 2, square root of 9 is equal to 3. And then we have square root of 32 that is equal to 16 times 2. And then square root of 18 will be 9 times 2. Yan. And we're going to simplify. 2 plus 3 plus square root of 16 square root of 2 plus square root of 9 square root of 2. So we have 3 plus, 2. We have 2 plus 3 plus 4 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2. And then let us combine similar terms. We have 2 plus 3 will be 5 plus 4 plus 3. We have 7 square root of 2. So our answer will be 5 plus 7 square root of 2. Next. Evaluate square root of 48 over square root of 3 times the square root of 2. So, ang una natin gagawin is to simplify this first. So, we have square root of 48 over 3 times square root of 2. That will be square root of 16 times 2 because 48 divided by 3 is 16 times the square root of 2. So, we have square root of 16 is 4 square root of 2. So, our answer will be 4 square root of 2. Next, find the slope of the line 2x plus 4y plus 6. So, i-rewrite lang natin yung linear equation sa ganitong format. So, y is equal to mx plus b. The slope-intercept form where m is our slope. Kasi ang hinahanap lang naman natin is yung slope. So, you have 2x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. And then we're going to simplify. So, we have i-add natin yung additive inverse ng 2x tapos 6 sa both sides. So, we have 2x plus 4y plus 6 minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0 minus 2x minus 6. Ito yung mga additive inverses ng 2x tapos ng 6. Bakit natin inad yung mga additive inverse nila is para makancel sila dyan. Okay? So, we'll have 4y is equal to negative 2x minus 6 over 4, all the terms. So, we will have y is equal to negative 1/2 x minus 3 over 2. So, our slope is negative 1/2 and our y-intercept is negative 3 over 2. So, slope is equal to negative 1/2. So, that's all. Again, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to be notified for the next videos. Bye-bye.